Peekaboo. Peekaboo! 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 He's too cute. Want to give me a kiss? His mouth moved. Did you get that on camera?
Not close
Do
enough.
it again.
No.
You have to come to the side. Patrick, but a kiss.
Did he slip you the tongue?
He tried to. Oh, you're only supposed to do that to girls. Your
And
mom.
not for another 15 years.
Yeah, 12.
20.
Kids are growing faster these days.
Not ours. We're just going to keep him holed up in the house till he's 25. No
Peekaboo!
dating. No dating till you're 25.
Peekaboo! What are you trying to say?
Peekaboo!
Hey, how about a kiss, buddy?
Peekaboo!
How about a kiss?
Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!
Peekaboo!
What's Daddy doing?
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
He's trying to say peekaboo. He's like, how do I get that first sound? That P sound.
Peekaboo!
I don't know, you pee-pee in your diapers all the time.
Still taping?
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, a bib. Hold on, I have to get it in bib form. Because I only have one hand. There he is! Take it off. There he is! Alright, I'm going to stop taping. Say bye!